Hello guys, welcome back to another Chan video tutorial. Have you ever wondered how to remove these black bars on this vertical video? And turn your videos like this to have an outstanding vertical videos. Now I'm going to show you on how to put background blur to vertical videos in Filmora. First, let's open the Filmora application. Import your vertical video to media. Then add it to the track. Now go to Effects. Click on Filters, then under Filters, click Background Blur or simply go to search bar and type Blur. Here are the effects that you can apply, and as you can see you have a lot of options here. You've got the basic blur, blur bars. You also have slant blur and many more. Here, I am going with the basic blur. Click, then drag it and put it above the video track. As you can see, the effects is already applied, so let's just match this to the video. The next thing to do here is to modify the blur effect. You double click on it. For the background blur, just leave it as is. For the source width, just leave it also as is, because if you bring it down, it will bring back the black bars. So we go ahead and put it back by clicking this undo button. For the background luminance, it is for the lighting in this part here. Let's just put it into 5. For the background feather, let's turn it down to the point where you see a little bit of what's in the background. So just turn it down to 20 or 15. This just depends on how you want to look it. Once you're done, go ahead and click OK. Now let's export our video. Click on Export, then go to Settings. Check all settings and always put the quality to best. Once done, click on OK, then go ahead and export your project. Here is the final output. Thank you for watching. Please do like, comment and share this video if you find this helpful. Also hit that subscribe button and make sure to press the bell button to never miss one of our uploads.